Ever pondered on the thought of what happens when time ceases to exist? When the clock stops ticking and the sun halts in the sky? Welcome to our journey towards the end of time. The end of time. It sounds like a concept straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? Yet, it's a topic that has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and curious minds since the dawn of civilization. Time, as we understand it, is an ever-flowing river, a constant in our lives. But what if that river reaches a waterfall? What if there's an edge to this cosmic ocean where all time ceases to exist? This video is an expedition into the depths of this thought-provoking concept. We will sail through the sea of theories, facts, research, and discoveries that try to explain what the end of time might look like. We'll delve into the musings of brilliant minds who have dedicated their lives to unraveling this cosmic enigma. We'll explore the importance of time, not just as a tool for measuring our days and years, but as a fundamental fabric of our universe. We'll wrestle with the question, if time can start, can it also stop? And if it can, what does that mean for us, for our universe, for everything we know and understand? If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos, by the profound questions that push the boundaries of our understanding, then this video is for you. And if you want to join us on this exciting journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who might be interested. Fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the abyss of the unknown, exploring the concept of the end of time. Let's first understand what time is before contemplating its end. Time, in its simplest form, is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. It's the past, present, and future all woven together in a fabric that stretches infinitely in both directions. But here's the twist. Time isn't as straightforward as it seems. Think of it like this. If you're on a speeding train, the landscape outside seems to rush by you. But to someone standing on the platform, it's you who's moving swiftly. This is a tiny taste of what Einstein's theory of relativity means when it says that time is relative. According to Einstein, time isn't the same for everyone. It can stretch or squeeze depending on how fast you're moving or how strong the gravity is around you. Imagine a clock in space, far away from any gravity or motion. Now compare it with a clock on Earth. The one in space would tick faster than the one on Earth. This is known as time dilation, and it's a direct result of gravity's influence on time. Let's delve a bit deeper. Quantum physics, another pillar of modern science, has its own theories about time. According to quantum mechanics, time is a parameter, a tool to calculate changes. It's like a mathematical stage where particles dance and interact. Then there's the arrow of time concept, which suggests that time has a direction, from the past, through the present, and into the future. It's like a river that flows one way. But why does it flow this way and not the other? Science is still trying to answer this question. Time, a continuous, unending flow. But what if this flow halts one day? As we unravel the mystery of time, we begin to realize that it's not just about ticking clocks and turning calendars. It's about the fundamental nature of reality itself. And the more we learn, the more fascinating it becomes. So, let's keep exploring. Numerous theories try to explain what the end of time might look like. Let's investigate some of them. The first theory we'll explore is the Big Crunch. This theory suggests that the expansion of the universe might one day reverse. Imagine blowing up a balloon and then letting the air out. The universe in this scenario would collapse back into a singularity, a point of infinite density. This is the exact opposite of the Big Bang, which posited an explosion from a singularity to create the universe as we know it. The Big Crunch, hence, is a kind of cosmic rewind button. The second theory is the heat death, also known as the Big Freeze. This theory is based on the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy or disorder in the universe will always increase. Over trillions of years, stars will burn out, galaxies will drift apart, and all processes that consume energy, like life and computation, will cease. The universe will reach a state of maximum entropy, becoming a dark, cold, and lifeless place. In essence, time effectively ends because nothing happens. Our third theory, the Big Rip, takes the universe's current rate of expansion and kicks it into overdrive. This theory suggests that the mysterious dark energy, which is thought to cause the universe's accelerated expansion, could become stronger over time. At some point, this dark energy would become so powerful that it tears apart everything, from galaxies and stars to atoms and subatomic particles. In the Big Rip, the universe doesn't just fade away, it's violently torn apart. The last theory we'll touch on is the quantum theory of immortality. This one is a bit more out there. It proposes that consciousness continues in parallel universes. When the universe ends in this one, your consciousness simply continues in another, where the end hasn't happened yet. It's a mind-boggling concept, to be sure, and one that straddles the line between physics and philosophy. These theories, while fascinating, are still just theories. The truth remains shrouded in mystery. Imagine being able to journey to the end of time. What might we encounter? It's a fascinating, mind-boggling concept, isn't it? Time travel, a notion that has intrigued scientists and dreamers alike for centuries. The idea of stepping into a machine, pressing a button, and emerging in a completely different era is an irresistible thought. But what if we could go beyond, all the way to the final tick of the cosmic clock, the end of time itself? Well, let's indulge in this thought experiment for a moment. First, we need to consider the concept of time. Time, as we understand it, has a beginning and an end, just like a story. It's linear. It starts at one point and moves forward. But what if time isn't linear? What if it's cyclical or even a web of interconnected timelines? If time is indeed linear, traveling to its end might mean witnessing the final moments of the universe. Imagine seeing the last stars flicker out, the galaxies fading into the darkness. Or perhaps, if time is cyclical, we could find ourselves back at the beginning, witnessing the birth of the universe once again. Now let's talk about the implications. If we could travel to the end of time, it might completely redefine our understanding of existence. It could answer some of the greatest mysteries of life, the universe, and everything in between. It could, in essence, provide us with the ultimate perspective. But time travel is not without its paradoxes. The grandfather paradox, for instance, presents a scenario where a person could potentially prevent their own existence. So, if we could travel to the end of time, could we inadvertently bring about that end sooner? Of course, these are all conjectures, musings of curious minds. As of now, time travel remains a captivating concept, tantalizingly out of our reach. However, it continues to inspire us, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Time travel, a captivating concept, remains a tantalizingly elusive reality. Our exploration of the end of time leaves us with more questions than answers, a testament to the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. We've delved into the intriguing concept of time, unraveled its mystery, and examined various theories surrounding its end. We even dared to imagine what it would be like if we could travel to this elusive end of time. Despite our best efforts, the end of time remains largely an enigma, a concept that defies our understanding and challenges our perceptions of reality. It's a testament to the sheer scale and complexity of our universe. Yet, this doesn't deter us. It only fuels our curiosity and drive to learn more. Continued research, discoveries, and advancements in technology may one day provide us with the answers we seek. But until that day comes, all we can do is speculate, theorize, and marvel at the grandeur of the cosmos. As we conclude this journey, remember, the end of time remains a fascinating enigma, a reminder of the infinite mysteries the universe has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Until next time.